Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making decisions that determine everything else. Confirm consent and local laws, then pick a recording path, Android app, computer screen/audio capture, or an external recorder. Once chosen, install the required app or prepare your PC and cable. Make sure WhatsApp and the recorder have microphone and storage permissions. Check battery and free space. You do not want to interrupt the call. Take a quick test call to verify levels and that both sides are audible before proceeding to the live call. Once ready, initiate the WhatsApp call and start recording immediately. On modern Android, use an app that supports internal audio capture or record via speakerphone with a separate app while ensuring mic access. On iPhone, connect to a Mac and record via QuickTime Screen Plus Audio or route audio through a capture device. On desktop WhatsApp, configure OBS or audio hijack to capture system sound and microphones simultaneously. Monitor levels during the call and adjust volume or mic gain. After the call, stop recording and immediately save the file, then make at least one backup copy. Use a simple editor to trim silence, normalize levels, and export in a common format like MP3 or WAV. If the recording lacks audio, troubleshoot. Verify app permissions, correct input/output device selected, sample rate matches, e.g. 44, 1 kHz, and that any noise suppression or echo cancellation isn't muting a channel. If still failing, repeat a short test and consider an external recorder as a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.